Are you wondering what effect the looming government shutdown could have on mortgage interest rates and your ability to buy a home? Keep watching this video because I'm going to cover everything you need to know. Hello everyone, I'm Jen, your Delaware Realtor. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am a local Delaware real estate agent that basically covers the entire state because we are so small. So whether you're looking to buy or sell in Delaware, I would absolutely love the opportunity to help you. My information is down below in the description, so please feel free to send me an email. All right, so is it just me or do you feel that there's a government shutdown almost every 3 months? To be honest with you, I feel like it's become so common that we're not even really paying attention. This government shutdown didn't even come on my radar until this past week. But I have many clients asking me what this means for their ability to buy a house and the effect it will have on mortgage interest rates. Before I touch on that, let's get up to speed at where we are currently at. Mortgage rates are currently sitting at a 7.31%, which is the highest that we have seen since the year 2000. So I can definitely understand my clients' concerns on what could potentially make these rates go higher because they're already astronomical and we are already stressing their budgets. So the big question on everyone's mind is, will this government shutdown actually have an impact on mortgage interest rates? Well, the relationship between the government and mortgage interest rates isn't exactly straightforward, but there are several factors that come at play that could have an influence. When the government takes a pause, it can create a ripple effect that goes into different areas, such as the housing market. First up, it sends investors into a little bit of a panic, so they typically rush to safe investments, which include U.S. Treasury securities. Here's how it ties back to mortgage interest rates. Oftentimes, there is a link between treasury yields and mortgage interest rates. So if a lot of investors are buying up treasuries, it could have an effect on mortgage interest rates, although it's not a one-to-one relationship and there are many different factors that are at play. Okay, so let's chat about this whole U.S. Treasury yield because it's considered to be a very big deal in the mortgage world. Imagine a U.S. Treasury yield is like the heartbeat of the financial market. When investors get nervous, they buy up U.S. Treasury bonds because they're considered to be super safe. But when they buy more of them, the yields or the return that they get on them go down. And mortgage rates tend to follow a similar direction as the yields. Think of them almost like best friends. So when the yields go down, mortgage rates go down. When the yields go up, mortgage rates go up. But remember, sometimes they do their own thing too. Some factors sneak in and they go opposite directions. So while, yes, they tend to move together, it's not a rule set in stone. On the practical side of things, a government shutdown can slow down the process for home buyers. Things like getting your tax documents verified and your social security number verified is going to take a little bit longer because there are fewer government employees working. If you're in the middle of purchasing a home, I would just be prepared for delayed closings because, like I just said, if you're using a government-backed loan and all of these documents need to be verified before financing goes through, it's going to take a little bit longer. So just be prepared for delays. And it's always important to keep a wide open communication between your realtor and your mortgage lender. Also, when people hear government shutdown, it often makes them feel uneasy about making a huge financial decision. So oftentimes they'll decide to wait until they feel that the economy is a little bit more stable. Now, this shift in demand could help to wiggle around the mortgage rates a little bit. Now, history shows us that there isn't really a playbook to go by because during some shutdowns, we've had mortgage interest rates just stay put. And then in other shutdowns, we've had mortgage interest rates bounce around a little bit, spike. So it's kind of like a wild card. We're not really sure what's actually going to happen. So the questions that I see almost daily, one being, where do I see the rates going from here? And two being, are the rates going to come down? And unfortunately, my answer is not what most people are looking for because I predict that the rates are actually going to remain elevated for quite some time and possibly go even higher than where they are right now. That is until one of two things happen. either one, miraculously, inflation comes down, or two, something bad happens to break the economy, and then the Fed decides that they're going to lower the rate in attempt to repair the damage that is caused. Now, obviously, no one has a crystal ball, so we are just going to have to stay tuned to see how this all plays out. But you have to be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss an important update. I really hope that this video helped. If it did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you are a buyer that is looking to purchase in Delaware, I would absolutely love the opportunity to help you. My information is down below in the description, so please feel free to send me an email. If you are a seller that is looking to sell your home in Delaware, I would also love the opportunity to help you. There's a link down below in the description for an instant valuation of what your home is worth. Once again, I really hope that this video helped. If it did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Hey, if you're thinking about moving to Delaware, you should definitely check out this video right here. And if you would love to tour Delaware new construction homes with me, check out this playlist right here. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel.